Welcome to Graceful Aging Channel, where we help you stay sharp, strong, and healthy after 50. Have you been eating blueberries for your memory, your heart, or even for younger skin? If yes, good for you. But here's the thing, what if I told you that you might be eating them wrong and not getting the full benefits? After age 50, every little thing we eat matters more. Our digestion changes, our blood sugar becomes more sensitive. Even our ability to absorb nutrients slows down a little. And believe it or not, combining blueberries with the wrong foods can actually reduce their powerful effects, or even cause digestive issues in some people. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid those mistakes and how to turn blueberries into one of the most powerful natural medicines in your kitchen. We'll talk about the foods you should never eat with blueberries and also the foods that actually boost their power. But first, let's talk about why blueberries are so popular among people over 50. You've probably heard them called the brain berry or nature's multivitamin. And honestly, they deserve those names. Here are 5 powerful science-backed reasons to eat blueberries regularly, especially after 50. 1, they protect your brain and memory. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect brain cells from oxidative stress. In simpler terms, they help slow down brain aging. Studies show that eating just a handful of blueberries each day, it can improve memory, focus, and even delay age-related cognitive decline. If you've been forgetting names more often or misplacing your glasses a little too much, this tiny berry might help you stay sharp longer. 2, they stabilize your blood sugar. Blueberries are sweet, but they have a low glycemic index. That means they release sugar into your blood more slowly, preventing sudden spikes. For people over 50 who are watching their blood sugar, that's a big deal. They also contain soluble fiber and polyphenols, which improve insulin sensitivity and support healthy glucose metabolism. In short, they're a sweet fruit that helps fight sugar problems. Pretty impressive, right? 3, they support your heart. After age 50, heart health becomes even more important. And blueberries are one of the best fruits for your cardiovascular system. The antioxidants in blueberries reduce inflammation in the arteries, protect blood vessels from damage, and help lower blood pressure naturally. One study showed that people who ate blueberries regularly had up to a 15% lower risk of heart disease. Small fruit, big impact. 4, they protect your vision. Vision loss is one of the most frustrating parts of aging, whether it's trouble seeing at night, reading small print, or just general blurriness. Blueberries contain compounds that support the health of your retina, especially the macula, which is responsible for sharp central vision. They also help improve circulation in tiny blood vessels in the eyes and protect against oxidative stress, a major cause of cataracts and macular degeneration. So if you're over 50 and want to keep your eyes strong, add blueberries to your routine. They rejuvenate your skin. Yes, the same fruit that supports your brain and heart can also help your skin look younger. Blueberries are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production,
Nope.
and anthocyanins that
Nope.
fight inflammation and environmental damage.
Nope.
People who eat them regularly often report brighter skin, fewer breakouts, and more even tone. And since blueberries are also high in water content, they help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Not bad for a fruit that fits in your palm, right? But here's the important part. All these benefits only work if you eat blueberries the right way. And that's what we're going to cover next. Because believe it or not, there are common food combinations that most people don't think twice about, yet they can quietly cancel out the health benefits of blueberries. If you've ever tossed blueberries into your morning cereal or blended them into a smoothie with milk, you'll definitely want to hear what's coming next. Let's dive into the 5 worst food combinations to avoid when eating blueberries and what to do instead. So now that we understand why blueberries are such a powerful superfruit, let's talk about how people unintentionally ruin them. You see, eating healthy foods is only half the story. The other half is how you combine them. And when it comes to blueberries, there are certain combinations that actually cancel out their benefits, especially for those of us over 50. Here are the top 5 mistakes to avoid. 1. Blueberries plus cow's milk. This is probably the most common one. A lot of people add blueberries to their cereal or blend them with milk into smoothies. It sounds healthy, but there's a catch. The proteins in cow's milk can bind to antioxidants in blueberries, especially the anthocyanins, and block your body from absorbing them. That means your brain, heart, and skin might not get the full benefits. On top of that, vitamin C can break down faster when combined with dairy. What to do instead? Use plant-based milk like almond, oat, or coconut milk. They're easier to digest, and they let the antioxidants do their job. 2. Blueberries plus cucumber. This one surprises a lot of people. Cucumber is refreshing, low-calorie, and often used in detox drinks with blueberries. But it contains an enzyme called ascorbyl oxidase, which actually destroys vitamin C. Since blueberries are loaded with vitamin C, this combo can seriously reduce its immune and skin benefits. What to do instead? Enjoy cucumbers and blueberries separately, at least 30 minutes apart. Let your body absorb the vitamin C before that enzyme comes in. 3. Blueberries plus pineapple. Pineapple is delicious, tropical, and full of vitamin C and enzymes, but it's also very acidic, just like blueberries. When you mix two acidic fruits together, especially on an empty stomach or with a sensitive digestive system, you increase the risk of bloating, reflux, or stomach irritation. What to do instead? Enjoy pineapple and blueberries at different meals. Give your stomach time to process the acid from one before adding the next. This is especially helpful for anyone over 50 with acid reflux, ulcers, or IBS. 4. Blueberries plus sweetened yogurt. You've seen the ads, healthy fruit yogurt with real blueberries, but most of them are packed with added sugars and artificial flavors. Here's the problem. Sugar causes blood sugar spikes, promotes inflammation, and counteracts the low glycemic benefits of blueberries. In other words, you turn something healthy into something harmful. What to do instead? Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fresh blueberries. That way you keep the probiotics and antioxidants without the sugar crash. 5. Blueberries plus sugary granola or cereal. This one is tricky. Granola seems healthy. Oats, nuts, dried fruit, right? But most commercial brands are loaded with refined sugar, canola oil, and preservatives. When you sprinkle blueberries on top, it looks nutritious, but that sugar bomb can spike your blood glucose and reduce your antioxidant absorption. What to do instead? Make your own granola or choose one with less than 5 g of sugar per serving and at least 3 g of fiber. Or better yet, pair blueberries with chia pudding, oatmeal, or a handful of raw nuts. So what's the takeaway? Even the healthiest fruit can lose its power if combined with the wrong ingredients, especially after 50 when digestion, insulin response, and inflammation all become more sensitive. Being intentional about food pairings can make a world of difference. Now, the good news is, for every wrong combination, there's a right one. Coming up next, I'll share with you 5 of the best foods to eat with blueberries. Combinations that enhance absorption, boost antioxidants, and help you age stronger, not faster. So there you have it. Even something as healthy as blueberries can lose their magic, or worse, harm your health, if paired with the wrong foods. The key takeaway? Don't assume that just because something is called a superfood, it works in every situation. Our bodies after 50 process things differently, and food combinations matter more than ever. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're not just protecting your brain, you're giving yourself the best chance to stay sharp, energized, and age gracefully. In the next video, I'll show you how to properly pair blueberries to maximize their brain-boosting and anti-aging benefits. A few small changes can lead to powerful results. Until then, take a closer look at your plate. Sometimes the smallest adjustments make the biggest difference. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the simple tips that help you stay healthy and strong after 60. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.